Alright, we're back. We are on a lift this time. And it is time to attack that ugly, nasty Terraflex stabilizer mount. And we're changing the end links too.
Alright, well, you got all the tools on always? Well, you're Oh, hey, it's pretty accessible now when it's up in the air.
It is. This? It's the adjustment. So,
I always thought you needed a tool for the adjustment.
so argument mode, date night mode, nighttime mode. Actually, so
Oh, you're painting it?
I'm painting all this. So if you can wet this and clean this up,
Just that area?
and same thing with back here. And honestly, it might not be that dirty.
Yeah, it's definitely pink though.
Yeah. Yeah, because I'm gonna repaint all this.
Okay.
Is that cool? Thank you.
Yeah, it's our hand rinse station.
Oh, that just made life much easier. I'm just saying, do we need to put a... Yeah. Just in case. Do you guys tape measure?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Seriously?
Yep.
Dude! Actually, well, the nice thing is, it's exactly where it needs to be. Because the wheels are straight. Right?
Pretty much. I try to keep things straight.
Okay, so... Because we have to move this down.
That's gonna be fun to fix.
Uh-huh.
Oh wait, you just bolt that into the factory bracket?
Yeah, but...
You gotta drill those holes?
Just one.
I don't have paint pen.
It's okay, just get your drill bit.
Did you know how nice these drill bits are for drilling into a ram frame? It took me like 20 seconds to get all four holes done. Well, you better make sure it's straight. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Oh, you went all over the place.
I was trying to show you the this one is.
So is it nut and bolt or?
Yeah.
It's dirty, so you can tell, but you can't tell. So gross. Have you used that before?
Uh-uh.
Oh.
Those big pry bars.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay.
Would they though?
I really think it'd be better to put it on the ground.
I really think the ratchet strap.
Maybe.
Well, see, the thing is, if you put it on
Strap
the...
does all the hard work. Hold it.
Holding that. Oh. They have a station for Swole.
Yes, they do. It's an amateur.
Gage Linville. He's 23.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, you better do it more, man. Do it a little more. Do it again. Oh. Going.
Oh, jeez.
It's your son.
Don't forget, did you go through the other side?
Yeah. That's why I needed the hammer. Okay, go back. I don't want to be able to use it anymore.
Okay.
Oh, you don't want to be on your knees?
Oh, I'm not making any money. I'm not doing it.
Oh, very nice.
See, now we can torque it in the future, because not that we need to with this bracket. Yeah,
Is that the long one is?
yeah.
Jeez, how many extra washers did they give me?
Turn the wheels. Fucking beautiful. Okay, let's go the other way. Fucking beautiful. Fucking lined up perfect.
That was easy.
I can tell. So that should be soft. Hold on. Oh yeah, okay. Just so it should be soft now. Oh yeah, it's right now.
Beautiful. All right. Jesus, your area.
Huh?
Show this to your mother. Look familiar? Just like his room.
This is what money making looks like. This is what happened.
No, we gotta do these real quick.
Hardest part's done.
Yeah, honestly, these should go by real fast.
You done wiggling the Jeep, bro?
So I don't like this training jacket. Kind of just 0 to 100 when you're like that. As long as you don't care about the
Look at you. Oh, the sway bars aren't disconnected.
That's fine. It should be easy to. Yeah, we can move it around though.
Yeah.
Oh. Need some modification on this brake down here, man.
It is bent.
It's just genetics. Is it bad?
Yeah, it's bent.
Are we sure? That's fine. Oh, better get out from under there. My boss is coming.
All right, we are done. Show you what we got. That is the new steering stabilizer bracket and track bar bracket. We put new end links in from Steer Smarts. It's all clean and we are ready. All the fluids have been changed. And since it's up in the air, let's show you the rear truss. So those are the trusses from Artec, and it was re-geared with Spicer 456s. All right, that's gonna do it. My kid is angry. He's tired of working on cars. Thanks, everybody.